Imagine this. You've got a product, an idea, a campaign, and you need to turn it into 5, 10, even 20 different video variations. What usually happens? You open an AI video tool, type a prompt, get one clip. Then another prompt, another wait, another edit. Every clip feels disconnected. No structure, no workflow. Today I'm showing you a tool that solves that entire problem, Topview Canvas, along with the newly launched Seedance 2.5 inside it. And by the end of this video, I'll tell you about an offer that gets you 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 generations, so stick around till the end. What Topview Canvas actually is. First, let's get one thing clear. Topview Canvas isn't just another AI video generator. It's a visual AI workspace powered by an intelligent video agent. You can let the agent handle the entire workflow for you, or jump in and edit every single step yourself on the canvas. Both options are available. Creators, filmmakers, e-commerce sellers, marketers, everyone can plan, generate, organize, edit, and reuse their entire creative workflow inside this one workspace. And now that Seedance 2.5 is available inside Canvas, you get powerful AI video generation built into a structured workflow, instead of producing one disconnected clip at a time. Let me show you exactly how this works. Canvas workflow, live demo. Let's say I have a product, just a product image or a short brief. I hand this to the Canvas video agent. Watch what happens. The agent automatically plans out the entire storyboard, decides the scenes, writes the hooks and messaging, suggests the visual style and talent, generates all the assets, images, storyboard frames, video clips, and organizes them visually right there on the canvas. This is the biggest difference. With normal tools, you have to figure everything out manually. Here, the AI agent builds an entire structured project on the canvas for you. And if I want to change one specific scene, I can just select that scene and give it a natural language instruction without restarting the whole project. Seedance 2.5, video generation. Now let's talk about the actual engine behind this, Seedance 2.5. This model can now natively generate 30-second single-shot videos. That means no more stitching short clips together. You get one long, smooth, continuous output in a single shot. And here's another big upgrade. With Seedance 2.5, you can use up to 50 multimodal reference assets. So keeping your product, character, style, and scene consistent is now a lot easier. If your brand needs to maintain a specific look across multiple videos, this feature is genuinely useful. Look at that. A single generation gave us a long, controlled, and consistent video. And since this is happening directly inside Topview Canvas, this generation becomes part of my workflow automatically. Clip edit. Fix the mistake, not the whole clip. Now, when a video gets longer, there's more room for a small mistake to sneak in. Maybe a frame looks off, or a movement glitches for a second. Earlier, the only fix was to throw away the whole clip and regenerate it. That wastes both time and credits. This is where clip edit comes in. I just select the specific part that didn't come out right and repair or regenerate only that section. No need to throw away the entire clip. That saves me time, and it saves credits too. Honestly, this feature is what makes Seedance 2.5's longer format actually practical. The longer the video, the higher the chance of one small section needing a fix. Create at scale. One idea, multiple variations. Now let me show you Canvas's most powerful use case. Once a workflow is set up, I can pull multiple variations from that same workflow. Same product, different hooks, different styles. Think about it. E-commerce product videos, UGC-style ad variations, social media hooks, multiple creative directions, all from one workflow, one idea. Instead of making one video at a time, we're now building a workflow that can generate multiple assets on its own. If you're an e-commerce seller or a marketer, this means one product can turn into several usable ad concepts, without starting from scratch every single time. Timeline preview and export. Once all the clips are ready, I preview the entire project on the timeline. From here, I can review the final sequence, upscale the video, and export it directly, all inside the same workspace, without switching to another tool. Save your workflow as a skill. And here's a feature I personally found really smart. You can save a successful workflow as a reusable skill. That means once a workflow works well, you don't have to start from zero for your next product, next campaign, or next video idea. Just apply that save skill again, and the process repeats. For content creators and agencies, this is genuinely a time saver, especially if you regularly produce similar types of content. Let me be honest for a second here. What I liked the most is this whole workspace approach, because normally, AI video tools feel disconnected at every step. Here, it actually feels like you're working on one proper project, not just generating random clips. Seedance 2.5's 30-second single-shot generation, combined with the 50 reference assets for control, that's a real upgrade for long-form, brand-consistent content. And Clip Edit, it's a small feature, but practically, it saves you the most time once you're generating regularly. As a best practice, test a small workflow first, refine it, and once it's giving you good results, that's when you save it as a skill. It makes your future projects a lot faster. Offer: 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5. Now, the thing I mentioned at the start, if you go for Topview's Ultra Annual Plan, you get 365 days unlimited, WAN 3.0, Minimax H3, and GPT Image 2. 60 days unlimited, Seedance 2.5 and Seedance 2.0. And even after the unlimited window, Seedance 2.5 generations are available at just 12 cents per second. So if you're serious about creating AI video content, this 60-day unlimited Seedance 2.5 access is genuinely a huge value add. So if you're a content creator, an e-commerce seller, or you run an agency, and you want your video creation process to be faster, more organized, and scalable, definitely give Topview Canvas and Seedance 2.5 a try. The link is pinned right below in the description. Sign up from there and you'll get this special offer too. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which use case you'd want to try first: e-commerce, UGC ads, or social content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.